Thank you, Shannon, and thank you all for being here tonight. It truly means a lot. A special thanks to Vail Resort's Epic Promise, Breckenridge Ski Resort, and our host, Keystone Resort. Your support doesn't just make tonight possible, it strengthens the communities we serve in ways that matter. Let's give them a big round of applause. And thank you to our incredible sponsors, First Bank, Pinnacle Mountain Homes, Climax Molybdenum, Vail Health, iFurnish, Omni Real Estate, and to all listed in your program and on the screens tonight. These organizations show up for our community. Please thank and support them whenever you can. And to our patrons, those seated with the gold runners, we appreciate your added generosity tonight. Finally, to our board and community members, could our board please stand up? I know we've got several board members here. Dr. Biggs, Dr. Simon Stanley, Nick, David, thank you. Who am I missing? Jesse, Dr. Biggs, thank you. Ishmael, thank you. Thank you for your leadership, partnership, and commitment to this mission. Let's give them all a big round of applause. Thank you. How's everyone doing tonight? Awesome, awesome. Love the energy, thank you. All right, I see a lot of familiar faces and plenty of new ones too. My goal is to meet everyone before the night is over and get to know you all in the years to come. I'll start by sharing a little bit about my background. I served on the board for 2 years before stepping into the CEO role 6 months ago. This organization means a great deal to our community and our workforce. And I knew the next CEO had to bring meaningful experience and a fresh perspective and be all in on Summit County. Like so many, my husband Chris and I came to Summit thinking we were just visiting for a few weeks. That was 5 years ago. Turns out, it's tough to leave a place like this. It's even harder when you find a community that makes you want to stay. Before this, I spent my career in for-profit, private equity-backed healthcare. The focus was always on efficiency and growth, but often at the expense of patients and their providers. Eventually, I had to ask, who is really benefiting? Serving on the board brought that question into focus. This organization has been a cornerstone of the community for decades, and it showed me what healthcare can look like when mission, not margin, sets that direction. My mindset, committing fully, delivering consistently, doing business in good faith, goes back further than my healthcare career. At 12, I started a lawn business with my best friend, Travis. He wasn't serious about it, so at 13, I bought him out. I kept it going for 7 years because I like the challenge of providing good work, managing client relationships, and building trust within my community. That same mindset carried me through Duke for my MBA, through years of leading healthcare operations, and now here to help ensure this organization keeps evolving, keeps getting stronger, and keeps serving Summit County for years to come. Yeah. It's one of the greatest privileges of my life to be in this position and on this journey with all of you tonight. Let's take a moment to appreciate how we got here.
Summit Community Care Clinic has been serving our community for over 30 years, and we are grateful for every moment.
I have been taking care of Arturo here at the Community Care Clinic since 2017, when I first moved into town. He has struggled from very severe chronic diseases and hasn't had any other access to health care other than through our clinic within the entire county.
Mi condición son varias.
I have several conditions, but right now we're focused on the wound that I have on my left leg. I have this ulcer due to bad circulation in my legs. Because of that, I haven't been able to work in the last 4 years. Currently, it's almost completely healed, and now I'm able to go back to work, and I feel way better.
Without the community care clinic, I think Arturo would have really struggled to receive any health care, and he might not even be here today based on what he's been battling.
Aquí en la clínica y en todos lados, pero particularmente aquí.
Everywhere else, but particularly here at the clinic, the staff was always very supportive, especially during the days I was feeling the worst. And that makes me feel that I can keep hope and faith in people because they were making me feel good even during those times.
In the past year, Arturo has been coming to the clinic regularly, almost weekly, to help improve some of his chronic diseases, and his health has exponentially improved with the access to the care that he has received here.
Mi segundo hogar.
And the clinic is my second home because I spend here every week getting my treatments and getting all that I need to be healthy.
Arturo's story isn't unique. We see many patients just like him, and we feel very privileged to be able to offer this care to our community.
Aquí en la clínica encuentras mucho amor.
The clinic is wonderful, much love that I receive from everyone. They don't care if I'm different. They only care about giving me love and caring about my issues and making sure that I feel good physically and everything else feels good in me. So that's wonderful. And thank you so much to everyone, to my provider, to my assistant, everyone, it's been wonderful.
At Summit Community Care Clinic, we cherish the difference we've made in people's lives, and we look forward to continuing this for many years to come.
Pretty incredible, right? So many people have poured their time, heart, and energy into this organization, and that impactful work deserves to be celebrated. Let's give another big round of applause to our staff, board members, sponsors, donors, volunteers, community partners, and all other supporters who've made this impact possible. So what's next? We've made incredible progress, but the landscape is shifting. Costs are rising, staffing is tight, and the need for care keeps growing. Evolving isn't optional, it's required. That's why we built a leadership team with the right experience, the right skills, and most importantly, the passion to move this organization forward. I'm looking at you over there. Together, we've created a bold vision for the future. I hope it inspires you as much as it inspires us. Take a look. We are fortunate to live in a place known for its breathtaking landscape and vibrant community spirit. Here at Summit Community Care Clinic, we are dedicated to providing compassionate health care to our neighbors. Today, we are happy to share some exciting news about our organization. As we strive to enhance the health and well-being of our community, we are proud to introduce our new name, Elevated Community Health. This rebrand reflects our commitment to care not just for our patients, but to elevate the overall health of our community. It highlights our mission to provide health care to all, across multiple counties, ensuring that everyone has access to the care they need, regardless of their insurance status. Our rebrand to Elevated Community Health highlights our dedication to provide comprehensive care and community well-being. It's about creating a healthier future built on 3 foundational pillars: access, stewardship, and quality. As part of our commitment to elevating health, we've established a patient assistance fund in memory of Sarah Taborski to ensure that financial barriers do not prevent anyone from receiving essential health care services. The Patient Assistance Fund was created through a generous donation given in her memory.
My name is Alicia, and I'm just so grateful to be here and talk about my friend Sarah and express my deep gratitude for the Care Clinic establishing the Patient Assistance Fund in her memory. It was really so special to be with her throughout her life, and then also the last few days before she died. She asked my friend Becky and I to come to Scotts Bluff to visit her where she was in hospice. The last thing she said to me was, "I love you and thank you." And I think that this legacy gift of hers is an expression of, I love you and thank you. Sarah was a patient of the Care Clinic, and she knew how special the people are who work here, who provide the care, and it's just a real special connection.
The Patient Assistance Fund provides financial support for healthcare costs that can be out of reach for our community members. We believe that no one should have to choose between quality healthcare and financial stability.
Financial stability is crucial to our mission, and with the support of our donors, partners, and community, we can make a meaningful impact. Through initiatives like the Patient Assistance Fund, we're working together to ensure that financial barriers never prevent anyone from receiving the care they need, allowing everyone in our community to thrive.
As the Chief Medical Officer, I'm excited about our rebrand to Elevated Community Health. This change signifies our commitment to high-quality, patient-centered care and our focus on improving health outcomes across our community. While our name is changing, one thing will remain the same: our commitment to provide exceptional, patient-centered care that is available to all.
We invite you to join us on this journey. Whether you're a patient, a supporter, or a community member, your involvement helps us create a healthier future for all. Thank you for all your support, and cheers to a brighter future for Elevated Community Health. Elevated Community Health. Why? That's what we're here to do. Elevate the health of our community. We have 18 locations, including 12 school-based health centers, 3 dental offices, 2 primary care offices, and 2 behavioral health offices serving students and families in Summit, Lake, and Park counties. In 2024, we saw over 10,000 new patients and over 37,000 total patient encounters. Yeah. Impressive, yeah. Record. And I want to be really clear about this next part. We've been doing all of that while our team has been underpaid and under-resourced. We can't elevate the health of our community without first investing in the people doing the work. They aren't just part of the organization, they are the organization. Yeah. Yes, staff, yes. In the 6 months I've been here, we've improved our benefits package, raised wages for 82 of 122 total employees, and everyone on our team will be earning competitive pay by July 1st. That includes raising, progress. That also includes raising our starting wage from $20 to $21.50 an hour. In my for-profit career, I operated under one simple principle: take care of your people and they'll take care of business. We've made that possible with a few key decisions, like closing an underused administrative office, saving $116,000 annually, and renegotiating vendor contracts for another $585,000 in savings. When we support our staff, we expand access, increase quality, and generate more revenue to serve more people. We want to be the healthcare provider of choice in Summit County. And we want folks in Park and Lake counties, many of whom work here, to know we have their backs too. If you want to know more about how we're saving money, growing revenue, putting your donations, your investments to work, call me, text me, let's grab a coffee. We have the right team, the right plan, and with your support, Elevated Community Health will lift this community and those who power it to new heights. Now it's time to bring this vision to life. Tonight's theme is Nourish to Flourish, and that's exactly what we're here to do.